Verifying your Outlook account is an important step to ensure the security and functionality of your email. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access Outlook sign-in page. Go to the Outlook sign-in page by entering the URL in your web browser. Click on the Sign In button to begin the process. Step 2. Enter your credentials. Input your email address and password associated with your Outlook account. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Choose verification method. You will be prompted to select a verification method. Options may include receiving a code via SMS, email, or an authentication app. Choose your preferred method and click Send Code. Step 4. Enter verification code. Check your chosen method for the verification code. Once you receive it, enter the code in the designated field on the Outlook sign-in page and click Verify. Step 5. Complete verification. After successfully entering the code, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now access your Outlook account with enhanced security. By following these steps, you can easily verify your Outlook account and ensure that your email remains secure.